Hello everyone, Chris here from IT Services Support Area from the College of St. Benedict, St. John's University. Today we're going to walk through the process of installing the Microsoft Office Suite on Windows 10 personal devices. To get started, we're just going to open up a web browser, any will work, and we're going to direct over to www.csb+SJU.edu. From there, up in the top right corner, you'll see a Tools menu. Select that and then choose Email from the list. You'll be asked to provide your campus email and your network password. So I'm going to choose that here. And then depending upon your location, you may also be prompted to enter in your Duo two-factor authentication. So I'll complete that step as well. Once done, I'll be now in my email. In the top left corner, you'll see that there is a series of dots that form a square. That's your application launcher. Click on that and then choose the Office 365 link. This will then come up to your Office 365 dashboard. From this view, you'll see that there is an Install Office option. Select that and then choose Office 365 Apps. This will start your download. It will begin to fill a bar, and once that bar is completed, you'll then be provided an open file link. Click that open file link and then choose the run option. After selecting run, your machine, depending upon the configuration, may prompt you to enter in additional credentials to install software, or you may be just pre-prompted to click yes. Go ahead and complete that next step. Once that step is complete, that will start the installation of the Microsoft Office Suite. Depending upon the speed of your machine, this may take 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Alright, my Office Suite has completed the installation, and now I'm just going to confirm that everything's working properly by opening up one of the applications. I'm going to open up Word. Upon first launch of an Office program, you may be prompted to enter your campus email and network password to complete the Office registration. Depending upon your location, you may also have to perform a Duo two-factor step. If you have any questions or having some problems with your Office installation, feel free to reach out to our help desk. We can be contacted by phone at 363-2228 or by email helpdesk@csb+sju.edu or through our support portal support.csb+sju.edu.